Hello, my dear students. Have you ever wondered why some animals look like something else or why they have such striking colors? So, welcome back to Biology at Fujit, my dear students. Today, we'll explore one of the most fascinating survival strategies in nature, that is mimicry and coloration. So, let's dive in. What is mimicry? Mimicry is basically a phenomena where one organism called the mimic resembles another organism known as the model to gain protection or some advantage. There are several types of mimicry: Batesian mimicry, Mullerian mimicry, aggressive mimicry, and auto mimicry. So what is Batesian mimicry? In this type, a harmless species imitates a harmful or toxic species. Example: the viceroy butterfly mimics the monarch butterfly. Advantage: predators avoid it thinking it is dangerous. Mullerian mimicry: here two or more harmful species resemble each other. Example: different toxic butterflies share similar warning patterns. Advantage: predators quickly learn to avoid all of them. Aggressive mimicry: in this case, predators mimic harmless organisms to catch prey. Example: the angler fish uses a glowing lure to attract prey. Advantages: it is easier for hunting. Auto mimicry: some individuals within the same species mimics others. Example: non-poisonous individuals resemble poisonous ones. Advantage: protection without actual toxicity. Coloration in animals: coloration is basically refers to the body colors and patterns in animals that help in survival, protection, communication and reproduction. Types of coloration: cryptic coloration or camouflage: animals blend with their surroundings to avoid detection. Example: Biston betullaria matches tree bark, stick insects resemble twigs. Advantage: protections from predators. Warning coloration or aposematic mimicry: aposematic coloration, their bright colors warn predators about danger or toxicity. Example: poison dart frogs and monarch butterflies. Here is the message: don't eat me. Disruptive coloration: here patterns break the body outline and making animals hard to detect. Zebras predators get confused by stripes. Advantage: visual confusion. Sexual coloration: bright colors help attract mates. Example: male peacock with its colorful feathers. Role: reproduction and mate selection. Evolutionary perspective: so all these features, mimicry and coloration, are results of natural selection proposed by Darwin, a concept given by Charles Darwin. Individuals with better camouflage or resemblance survive more, reproduce more and pass these traits to their next generation. So the classic example include: the best example is the peppered moth Biston betullaria, which changed its color during the industrial revolution to match polluted environments. This is called industrial melanism. Significance of mimicry and coloration: why it matters: it protects from predators, it helps predators catch prey, it attracts mates, acts as warning signals, it increases survival and reproductive success. So, my dear students, next time you see an insect or animal, look closely. Nature might be playing a clever disguise game. So if you found this class helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Biology at Priyojit for more amazing biology content. Thank you. Bye.